have a criteria for land acquisition, but land acquisition is only the first step in protecting habitat. After we acquire the land, we need to steward the property, and that includes monitoring for invasive species, species at risk, and restoration of habitat. In addition to protecting habitat, we want these spaces to be accessible for the general public. So many of our nature reserves have trail networks that anybody can come and enjoy. And we host public events throughout the summer. So we do guided hikes. You can come with us to do salamander monitoring. Summer of 2016, we held over 16 events at our nature reserves with over 300 people attending. We really want everybody to be able to enjoy these beautiful places.